Hey, thanks for tuning in to yet another video. We're going to be looking at my foot pegs today. Now, I've had these for quite a few miles now. These are great, amazing foot pegs for the price. These do have a little bit of a grip on them. I've noticed by wearing sneakers or flat-footed footwear, they do grip a whole lot more than the stock ones. Honestly, they just grip into your shoes and they hold very well. So as you can see from my videos, I do ride with boots.
Mexican got on boots.
They look a little mean, and they have that MX style, the foot pegs. So that's why I went with these. I like them. They're black and they do grip. And I just wanted a little bit more support on the foot pegs, just to have a little bit wider base, kind of just like a mini floorboard. So there is some benefits of having a wider one. Joker machines, they do make another one where it's like you could have both. You could have a little bit of a floorboard, and then it has a little bit of this kind of style, so it's like an L. So, and as you can see right here too as well, I did a little minor modification. I put this nut in here just to kind of push my my brake pad up a little bit. You could buy yourself the foot brake control from Flo Motorsports, but I believe that brake control is about a little bit over $100. So I went to Home Depot, got myself a little nut. As you can see right here, this is the nut right here, and this one just kind of pushes my foot control up a little bit. Still locked in place. I still believe it's safe. I don't think it's a safety hazard or anything like that, but I was able to move my foot brake control up by, what is that, maybe 1/4 of an inch, just because of the way my foot kind of sits on the foot peg. I was having a little bit of a hard time really getting down on that brake pad. So I'm not sure if you guys can see it from right here, but and then having the boots, it kind of elevates my foot a little bit more. So it was just something that I noticed when I was riding with my sneakers. I noticed that when I had it in the stock location, I really had to angle my foot down just to kind of get to the brake pad. So that's one tip I could probably give you guys. Just move that brake pad, the brake foot control a little bit up. But if you guys have a better method, I'm new at this, so if you guys have something better than this, then just leave it in the comments. This would help other people that are kind of thinking about, or see what people are doing to kind of get the adjustment out of the brake side. And then over here on the shifter side, as you can see, this one's really simple. This is just, you loosen this up and then you adjust it, because I had to move this up quite a bit because of the new foot pegs. It moves your foot up by a little bit as well, because the stock ones, it's sat underneath maybe about 1/2 an inch. So once you put on these new foot pegs, it moves your footing up by 1/2 an inch. So this side was a lot easier to adjust. You just loosen this up and then you move it to where you want it. And then when you put it back in there, it's always a good idea to kind of hold it from the shifter over here, the linkage. Push this out, because when you try to put this back in, it's going to shove the whole shifter inside. So just kind of hold it from up here and then put the shifter back on there once you get it to the way you like it. So that's pretty much it. These are comfortable. Like I said, big difference when you ride with sneakers. If you're riding with boots, it's still different, but you can really feel it when you have the sneakers. It really grips your foot. And they're comfortable too, just for the longer rides. If you do a lot freeway rides, or just longer riding, your feet are gonna thank you for it. Having a little bit extra support, and they do look mean on the bike. blacked out. A lot of people that don't know about the foot pegs, they go, holy shit, what's that? And like, you know, they see the spikes and they're like, holy crap, what the heck is that? Yeah, I mean, a lot of people that don't know much about motorcycles, they see my foot pegs and then they bring it up. Great quality, they're alloy. The color, the finish, everything about them, they're great. I like these foot pegs, and that's pretty much it. So if you're out there on the market and you're thinking about putting some foot pegs on your bike, don't go for that Chinese knockoff crap. Don't go buying those $40 Chinese knockoff crap. Just get yourself some of these, the Motorsports. They're really good quality. A lot of the times I've seen them on sale too. So if you're looking for a good deal, you could find some great deals on GetLowered and on Revzilla. Sometimes they have these on sale. So if you're out on the market and you're wondering, go to the foot pegs, go to your online store, try to see if you can get yourself a good deal. So, and then I mean, they're only $130, $140. Not that bad. And I'm telling you, don't get that Chinese crap, that Chinese knockoff stuff. Get yourself some good quality foot pegs, because you don't want these things to break off when you're out riding, especially the shifter side, because you're not going to be able to shift your bike when it's broken, when you don't have a base to put your foot in. So thanks for watching the video. Thanks for hitting that subscribe button, and thank you for hitting that like button. Alright, just wanted to say thank you guys. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. This is a motorcycle channel, so if you have any other questions, I have a whole lot of videos on the build, and I have a whole lot of different videos on reviews and experiences and stuff like that. So stay tuned. Like I said, thank you. Thank you. And as always, keep the rubber side down, ride safe. Just be careful out there right now. We're in some crazy times. So thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. Later.